Being raised in a white community and being really the only one who looked like me, I feel like I always felt like I was just a little bit different.
When they told me it's a girl, I was so elated.
And I remember that jet black hair and that little smile on her face. Ever since she's been in the world, she's been my heart.
We both grew up in a urban city, inner city community, poor families. We had our struggles, so moving to Arizona, we wanted to have a better life for them.
As she grew up, it wasn't easy for her to do and be the person that she is today.
In a community that was predominantly white, it's just really hard to figure out, like, what do I do when it comes to just like fitting in the way I looked with my hair. I always felt different from everyone else, so I really kept it pulled back and out of my face because I was embarrassed. Looking back on it now, it seems like a struggle, but it taught me a lot about who I am today. I work at Sephora as a senior marketing manager of promotions. Beauty really was my passion, and that's what I wanted to do. And I was like, if I was gonna do it anywhere, and I felt like Sephora was the only place. At Sephora, I feel like I belong in one of the best ways. There's no type. I can be my true and authentic self there. It really was my dream company, and I set it for so long, and now I'm here. Every year for the holidays, bringing all my family together, it's like one of the best times of year. There's like not much I can do to thank them for all that they've done, every opportunity they've given me, every sacrifice they've made, because it's been a lot, but they got me here, so I can't say thank you enough.
We're so proud of you. You deserve the best of everything because you have worked so hard to get to where you are. And even though we had many, many struggles, we made it as a family.
Love you guys.